Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about liver disease that is Gilbert syndrome. So, are you looking for a cure for Gilbert syndrome? So, in this video, I'm going to talk about the homeopathic medicines that has been used for the treatment of Gilbert syndrome. So, if you are suffering from Gilbert syndrome, then this video is definitely for you. So, watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. Now, let's start. So, first of all, I would like to explain what exactly is the meaning of Gilbert syndrome. So, Gilbert syndrome is a common harmless liver condition in which the liver does not properly processes bilirubin, and bilirubin is produced by the breakdown of the red blood cells. And as we all know that liver is your largest internal organ, about the size of a football. It is located mainly in the upper right portion of your abdomen, beneath the diaphragm and above your stomach. So, Gilbert syndrome is an inherited genetic condition. You might not know that you have Gilbert syndrome until it's discovered by accident, such as when a blood test shows raised bilirubin levels. I hope the meaning of Gilbert syndrome is clear to you guys. Now we'll talk about the clinical features, that is, what are the symptoms of Gilbert syndrome. The most frequent sign of Gilbert syndrome is an occasionally yellowish tinge of the skin and the whites of the eye as a result of slightly higher level of the bilirubin in the blood. In people with Gilbert syndrome, bilirubin level may increase due to illnesses such as cold or the flu, fasting or eating a very low calorie diet, dehydration, menstruation, strenuous exercise, and stress. Now we'll talk about the causes. So, what are the various causes which are responsible for Gilbert syndrome? So, let's talk about it. So, Gilbert syndrome is caused by the modified genes you inherit from your parents. This gene usually control an enzyme that help break down bilirubin in your liver. And when you have an ineffective gene in your blood, so your blood contain excess amount of bilirubin because your body does not produce enough of the enzyme. Now, how the body processes bilirubin? Let's talk about it. So, bilirubin is a yellowish pigment made when your body breaks down old RBCs, red blood cells. And bilirubin travels through your bloodstream to the liver, where the enzyme break down the pigments and remove it from the bloodstream. Then bilirubin passes from the liver into the intestine with the bile, and it's then secreted into the stool. Then a small amount of bilirubin remains in the blood. Now we'll talk about how the modified gene is passed to the families. So the modified gene that causes Gilbert syndrome is common. Many people carry one copy of this gene. In most cases, two modified copies are needed to cause Gilbert syndrome. Now let's talk about the risk factors. So although it's present from birth, so Gilbert syndrome usually is not noticed until puberty or later. Since bilirubin production increases during puberty, so you have an increased risk of Gilbert syndrome if both your parents carry the modified genes that causes the disorder and if you are male. Means Gilbert syndrome is more common in males than females. Now complications. So what are the complications if you have Gilbert syndrome? So the low level of bilirubin processing enzyme that causes Gilbert syndrome may also increase the side effects of certain medications. Since this enzyme plays a role in helping clear these medications from your body, these medications include a cancer chemotherapy drugs, some protease inhibitors used to treat human immunodeficiency viruses, that is HIV. So these are the various complications of Gilbert syndrome. Now let's talk about the treatment. So what is the ultimate treatment for Gilbert syndrome? So here we are talking about the homeopathic treatment for the Gilbert syndrome. So first and the foremost homeopathic medicine that you can see here on the screen is arsenic album. So arsenic album is indicated for the jaundice symptoms when a person feels simultaneously restless and exhausted with the feeling of weakness. Second medicine is Bryonia. So Bryonia is indicated for Gilbert syndrome with constipation when there are stitching pain in the right hypochondriac region. Under bryonia, the liver is swollen and congested and inflamed. The pain in the hypochondriac region are worse from any motion and better from lying on the right side, which lessens the motion of the part when breathing. Now our next homeopathic medicine is Cardus marianus. So Cardus marianus is a recommended homeopathic medicine when there is a Gilbert syndrome due to excessive alcohol intake. There is an uncomfortable fullness in the region of the liver. The stool are bilious and the urine golden yellowish in color. There is sensitiveness in the epigastrium and right hypochondrium. The next homeopathic medicine is Chelidonium majus. So, chelidonium is an effective homeopathic medicine for the Gilbert syndrome with constant pain under the inferior angle of the shoulder. It causes the liver to secrete thinner and more profuse bile than any homeopathic remedy. It is a very useful homeopathic medicine to promote the expulsion of the gallstone and to prevent their formulation. Now our next homeopathic medicine is Lycopodium. So Lycopodium acts powerfully on the liver. The region of the liver is sensitive to the touch and there is a feeling of tension in it. A feeling as if a feeling as if a cord were tied around the base. Next homeopathic medicine is Natrum sulph. Natrum sulph is a very useful homeopathic medicine when the patient has a bad, slimy taste in the mouth and thinks he is bilious. There is apt to be bait and aching in the liver. He can lie on that side, but on turning to the left side, the liver seems to pull and draw. Pain in the back and right side from congestion will often yield to this homeopathic medicine that is Natrum sulph. Now our next homeopathic medicine is Sionanthus. So Sionanthus has also shown remarkable result in Gilbert syndrome with jaundice and other hepatic derangements. The person complains of gripping pain in the umbilical region along with clay-colored stool and dark urine in such cases. This medicine gives excellent result. Now our last homeopathic medicine for the Gilbert syndrome is Nux vomica. So Nux vomica is the best suited among homeopathic medicine for the jaundice with diarrhea, which are pale or yellowish colored skin or yellowish tongue, incomplete and unsatisfactory stool. So these are the various homeopathic medicines that has been used for the treatment of Gilbert syndrome. So that's all. That's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till, till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. And yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from any liver complications or any liver diseases or Gilbert syndrome or any other health illnesses, then you can contact us. On the screen, you can see how you can contact us for online appointments. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.